In this video, we will cover some basic information about filing a California income tax return. If you made more than a certain amount of income, you will have to file a California state tax return in addition to your federal tax return. State and federal income tax returns must be prepared separately and sent to different locations, but they are due on the same date. There are two reasons to file a California state tax return. The first reason is that there is a filing requirement. Unlike federal income tax filing, you are not required to file a California tax return unless you made a certain amount of money. If you made more than the adjusted gross income listed on the California Franchise Tax Board website, you are required to file a state income tax return. The second reason to file a state tax return is to get money back. Even if you are not required to file, you may want to. If state taxes were withheld from your income, the only way to get that money back is to file a state income tax return. You can find information here about state tax workshops that will be hosted by the Berkeley International Office. These tax workshops will be led by an experienced member of the California Franchise Tax Board. They will take you through the state income tax return step by step. If you plan to attend one of these workshops, we highly recommend that you prepare your federal income tax return before attending a California state tax workshop. Please refer to this website if you need information about other states' tax filing requirements. This may be useful for you if you did an internship or worked outside of California during part of the year. Thank you for watching. Please note that Berkeley International Office advisors are not tax advisors. We cannot answer specific questions about taxes or your particular tax forms. If you have general questions about taxes, please check our FAQ page. If the answer is not there, you can email biohelp@berkeley.edu.